Have you ever had a dashboard light turn on in your car? Seeing that little light illuminate can make your stomach turn, as it usually indicates a problem with your vehicle. However, it's not always a cause for alarm. Toyota of North Charlotte is here to help you decipher dashboard lights and know what course of action to take when you see them. Check engine light. If you see your check engine light come on, it could be a number of things. But your first step should be to pull over and check your gas cap. If it's not screwed on tightly, it can make this light come on. If the light is still on after you check the gas cap, schedule an auto service appointment to nip the issue in the bud before it becomes big and costly. Battery light. Your battery light can illuminate because of battery issues, but it usually comes on because of problems with your alternator belt. When it lights up, it means that your car will now be running on energy saved up in the battery, which won't last you very long. So get your car into a mechanic to have things checked out under the hood. Tire pressure light. Your tire pressure light will illuminate if your tire pressure gets too low. Your best bet is to pull over at a gas station and check the PSI. Add air accordingly to get it back to the normal level, which you can find in your owner's manual. However, if the PSI drops again, you probably have a puncture. Bring your car into Toyota of North Charlotte to have our techs check it over for you and patch or replace it as needed. Oil pressure light. If you see your oil pressure light come on, you need to stop immediately. This means your oil levels have dropped significantly, and when that happens, your risk of your engine overheating goes up drastically. Pull over, and when your car has cooled down a little, check the oil tank. If it's low, add oil, but go straight to a Toyota service center to have your car inspected for leaks. If you wait, you could end up with extremely costly repairs. Brake light. When your brake light illuminates, you should first check that your emergency brake isn't on. If it's not and the light is still glowing, head to an auto service center. You don't want to run the risk of your brakes giving out on you, so it's essential to have your car inspected carefully by a professional. Think you need to have things under the hood checked out? Don't let that dashboard light ruin your day, and bring your car into Toyota of North Charlotte. We're in Huntersville, just off of I-77 at exit 23. Call ahead of time to schedule an appointment. See you soon!